start interfacing the push button with STM32. To proceed with the interfacing, go to File, New and STM32 project. Here go to board selector and select the board which you are using. Okay, click on the board, click on next. Here you need to give the file name. I will give as push button PB. Okay, click on finish. The project file will be created and the IOC diagram will be shown here. Okay, here we need to connect push button and LED. So for push button we will take push button, we will connect to PA4. So push button is an input device, so we will select it, configure it as GPIO input. And for LED we will configure PB5. Here you can see PB5 as output. Once you have configured the pins in the IOC diagram, click on Ctrl S. The code will be generated automatically for the interfacing of push button. Just you need to write the logic what you want to achieve. Scroll down to user code begin 3. Write down the code for the push button. Here you can see that we are reading the pin from the push button, and if it is set, the LED will be uh, glown, and if it is reset, the LED will be off. So let's start with the one. After writing the code, save the code and next build the code. It will check for any errors in the code. If after it is finished, click on run.
Let's start with the hardware connection between the push button and then LED. So in ESP and Arduino Uno, we have also used push button, but it internally pulls up the push button. But in case of STM32, it does not do internally pull up, but we use a resistor 10 kilo ohms or 4.7 kilo ohms to externally pull up the push button. So the connection is, the one side of the resistor is connected to the 5 volt and other side of the resistor is connected to the PA4, and at the same end we connect that pin to the input of the push button and ground to ground. And the LED is connected to PB5 and ground to ground. So here the program is already uploaded in the STM32. So this, whenever the push button is pressed, the LED should glow, and whenever the push button is released, the LED should turn off. So this is the hardware connection between the STM32 Nucleo board and the push button and LED.